ningibhora masenisaba umuntu ngoba athi straight talker lapho ngimfuna lapho mathi straight talker ngimfuna umuntu apheka kumtshela ukuthi bona into siphekele yona shem hayi nenja ngekile uzangixolela shem nami ngi straight talker into engiyithandayo mina nawe ukuthi si understand mas straight talker sithu nawe into engiyithandayo wazi umtshela irubbish uyo yonke into nje indlela ogcoka ngayo ngathi was BC before Christ mina uzamushintsha i-style uzangixolela shem ngi straight talker nami abuze lobu straight talker bakho ukuthi benzani kahle kahle umtshela indoda yakho wasekuphela amadoda yini hey uzangixola kodwa ngi straight talker ukuthi hayi shem
Social Tour aeroplane Dibra Kao better. Welcome everyone, this is Mzansi's Finest Videos. Hope you enjoy. Azish Au Uma Chingilan Urubits Isono singaka usilalela umnyu wabantu umthusa.
I matriculated in 2022 with a bachelor's degree. Yes, I was a smart learner. A class rep, prefect, RCL, you can mention all of them. Yes. You can't tell me about economics, life sciences, physics, tourism, but you can tell me about mathematics. When we multiply the same base, you add the exponent. Look at me now. When you want to multiply myself, you need to add a cup of alcohol or a drug. No, I'm not alcoholic. Someone who's alcoholic is someone who can live without alcohol. Mina ngiyisdaka nje ngiyaphuzela. Ngiyakwazi ukuphila ngaphandle nje kotshwala. I remember when I was young, I used to say, when I grow up, I want to be a pilot. Look at me now, I'm thinking of selling a lot of pies. Life is just unpredictable.
Guys, am I the only one who finds it embarrassing to celebrate the achievements? Like, it's so awkward. Every time I think of celebrating my achievements, I'm feeling so embarrassed. Kuba ngathi ngiyachoma, kuba ngathi ngifuna attention, kuba ngathi ngithanda ukubuka, you know. So I actually don't celebrate my achievements because of that.
Celebrate them how?
And
from the book of Poverty, chapter 2, verse 1 to 3, it reads as follows. Beware of the payday that comes with the weekend, for it shall leave you the same way it found you, bro.
Motowereka aliwadi next thing ka payday re banga kanja la rama kanona
and ba bang ba kra di 100% mo di quizzing mara mo di portfolio mo di exam mo di assignment thing ba kra di 5% di 10% le magaza di lecture le na life la dimakatsa shem.
Once wathandwa umamazala nabosisi bakhona kukancane ukuthi indoda ikuthande hayi
baba
Ayibo, balele shisa manje aroundini senengane ezinje. Ngadla.
Amaka zobala umfana la emuva kwapha. Ish, ngizothi ngiyaqalaza mase vele yangijampela ukuthi manje ngibuka yena. Ukuthi vuphanje pho.
abandawo ku-easy ukushela manje yo angikaze ngashare
Hayi sisi.
Nje,
Bekuyini wena?
uhamba ubingelela sisangabazi phela kwenze njani?
Wasmile wena uphenduka.
uyahamba uyashare
Uhamba uthela emantombazane ngawathi.
Wasmile wena mujike.
Bengazi phela ukuthi bengazi ukuthi wena.
Wazi kanjani? Uyazi le moto?
Ithatha vele uharishele.
Uyazi le moto?
Uharishele baby.
Nami bengazi ukuthi wena.
Unamanga uhamba ushela.
Ngiyakubona nje imilenze yakho lethe.
Uhamba ushela Philani. Philani uhamba ushela Philani.
Ngena.
leg shaming
Ngivukile.
Uvuka nini?
Ngivukile.
Nani bomama siyanicela bandla sicela ukuthi mesinibuze age abantwana benu ningasitshelini ngamamanzi like isitsheleni ngeminyaka makaqeda ukuthena 1 year umntana cela ukuthi ningasasitsheli ngamamanzi umntana unangaka hayi he turned 18 months sakwamele manje calculate
1 year 6 months
Dine guys, angicomplain. Marume you slow shame. Ngabe ku April, ngayima isisilandi long weekend yobusi2.
already 7
Futhi yazini asikho lapho guys, ngicela ukubuza ne. Ureport wakuphi umZTC odlinyama yengulube every Saturday. Ngoba sinenkinga entsha like us now.
akayiboni
Obulele story samaka utlwe motho a re eish ena ka hopola.
yo le mmaka le lithu
Sa tshepa selo mtase mo lefatsheng. Wa bona tlhapi ya ena menona marija di fish fingers.
ke maotwana a fish
The lipstick, the lip eyes tsa basadi, the what the lip what moisturizing, di kananyana. Very small, compact. No, the eyeliner, the eyeshadow, the eyelash what rejuvenating mang, you know. Kidonyana tse di kana man, very minute, small, portable, compact. The wipes tsa bona, you know, the panty liner, the portable compact nyana man. Everything is just small and compact. Di tsa ile gore ke di accessories tsa basadi. The phone tsa bona di a flipiwa ke dionyana tse di kana di la motho a ka nna le sunglass ya frame e kana. Everything can fit into a bag. E ile gore maybe this what mara there is still women working around the bag tse di kana. Aro maloba o somo re thutse go lesong kwa le ka beke mo gima hawa ba utswa dikuku mo manyalong le mo maso. There's no need for women's handbags to be still this. Everything in your life is compact, you know, portable nyana le lo o tsama ka di pumps ko lenyalo ko leso because di hili di tlo lapisa ha wa tla ka koloi you are with a friend di pumps maotonyana ba sadi ka maotonyana makana bo size 6 penguins of Madagascar bo size 3. The only thing everything is being made small. The only thing vibrator
But out of all inkinga lezi South African nazo lapha na i-heel pro lapha imoshakele lapha aboberea lapha amoshakele lapha ama-drugs abafazi bayafa i-crime i-high la e-South Africa nizokhetha nje ukuthi nigcwale nifake into eziredi nigcwale norasa lapha hey orana this hey orana must fall hey orana this orana angeke uzolwela ukuthi labantu abamhlophe balihlaye okay masithi ke labantu bavuka bathi okay sifuna ukuwela la eSouth Africa ke ozani nizohlala ke la oza i-country obenefitayo izobenefita ngoba laba ba harmless lapha abasokolisa umuntu bahlele lapha akeni bayekele kancane let's a minor issue ukuthi so deala ngayo now ama cases serious la ama drugs women trafficking na agcwele na iJozi lapha bebathi basuka lapha baya lapha iJozi lapha bathi bawo clean iJozi bengizoba support uthi bana nje bahlala barasa abantu abadala barasa banukisela abantu ngomiloma lapha sibhizi thina manje sibhizi siyaphasi phezulu uzokubanda kufuneka inyama yepitbull ukodle ipitbull ipheke amabhobhoti into ezi massive ama-hyena ama-crocodile ama-elephant ama-leopard lo ngifunana ne-hyena lapha athi itholakala nge-weekend izosiletha ne-stress letha nizolwela into ukuthi le nto leyo ayi-early even 2% yama-problem la sinama-problem aserious la serious problem now atake over ijosi sikhuluma nge-city batake over ama-drugs ngapha amakula la busy ngapha abantwana bayafa abafazi bona ngisakhuluma every hour umfazi uyabulawa mara uzokhetha nje ukuthi uzolwela i-orana kudala lapha ihlele lapha since from 1991 khona manje liba namathatha manje hey nizohlala nibeberesana emasibhizi thina sebhizi madoda asakhona ukuthi abomama sibanika into ezimasive ama-crocodile style asakhona ngoba nasidepressa uthi neza ukuthi umuntu abe ne-memory loss
memory loss. Hope you enjoyed, guys, and thanks for watching. See you on the next upload. Take care. This is Shivzy Win.
Joe.